We know exactly where all our numbers are, so we can manage the projects time-wise, money-wise, and efficiency-wise.
My name's Hamish. I started HBK Building 13 years ago, just a man in a van, and then we've built up to having 4 office staff and 15 people on site doing residential projects through the eastern suburbs.
My name is Michael. I'm one of the directors here at HBK Building, and my role is sales and site supervision. I came into HBK Building about 10 years ago now. Hamish and I joined forces. I had a small little company, and Hamish, this was when HBK was quite small as well. We joined forces 10 years ago, and we've built it up to where it's at now.
We couldn't find a system that did everything at once. So we couldn't find a system that did leads all the way down to defects. Everything did a bit of everything. So we had a project management system, we had a sales system, we had a defect program, we had everything sitting there, but we never had an all-in-one captured system that could go through from A to Z. Because when you've got multiple projects, you need it a certain way, and every business is different, and that's the beauty with Nexvia, that it can customise in different areas to what suits yourself, and then it makes you unique.
So we do a fully detailed estimate, and with that estimate we will have a cash flow forecasting sheet as well. So on the projects, when we do a cost plus project, we're not just licking our finger and sticking it in the wind. We've put a lot of data and a lot of work into that system to get it to what it's got to now. So having the kits, having everything just flow through, from my point of view, when it goes from estimating through to sales, through to a project, all the data's there, all the inclusions, exclusions, everything's there. We know exactly where all our numbers are, so we can manage the projects time-wise, money-wise, and efficiency-wise.
Yes, it has tightened up our variation process, but it's probably what it's tightened up the most is getting everyone understanding that variations are a thing, and the simplicity to be able to put it in. When it's too hard or too many processes, people don't put things in. So when it's a quick 2-3 step process, people put them in, and then we make the decisions in the office whether it's accepted or denied from there. The defects are excellent, so we can assign outstandings, defects on site. Then we know when they get fixed because the photos are attached and then uploaded to the platform. And our warehouse manager, we use all for our load lists and everything from there. So we add all the materials to a load list. We know when it gets picked up, we know when it's in transit, and then we know when it gets delivered and offloaded on site.
I'd recommend it to anyone who's looking to grow, even if you're a small business and you want to get that growth, having those fundamental systems and processes in place early, it's a lot easier to grow with that than to grow and then try and implement it. At least you can grow with it. We've worked very hard on systems and processes in this company to make sure that 1, our clients are happy, 2, that our staff is happy, and 3, that our projects run and deliver what we say we'll deliver.